I be that nigga always wearing something clean for the group. It's looking like Kane, but nah, this is not a movie. Cell phones up, tell them girls to shoot me. All I hear is, yeah, bitch, that's dumb, can you excuse me? Leimert Park legend, I used to bump that Snoopy. Had some iceberg and I used to want that cool shit. Back in 97, man, my uncle wore the Gucci, and he rock polo, and he wore the Stussy. I am no Marine, but these niggas do salute me. Catch me on Pico, I am like the Lucids, give it to them raw. I am like the sushi, I hate how rappers used to turn fresh so loosely. Badass nigga, I am like Boosie, but that just might've went over your head like a kufi. If I was a DJ, I would be Brucey, or any of them niggas Biggie shot it out on Juicy. Sometime I get chose, but you can say I'm choosy. And if you want to keep it, then you shouldn't have introduced me. 25th hour, that was introducing. Roll with the winners, girl, cause I ain't into losing. Talking Crenshaw and King.